Today on Ebuzor's Corner TV, we are making a beautiful, healthy, and comforting sweet potato and butternut squash combo. This is one of those simple homemade meals that looks colorful, tastes delicious, and still feels very good for the body. The sweetness from the sweet potato and the creamy softness of the butternut squash come together so well, giving you a meal that is filling, smooth, and perfect for the whole family. To start, I have my sweet potatoes washed, peeled, and cut into medium pieces. And I also have my butternut squash peeled, cleaned, and chopped. The color alone is already telling you that this food will be rich and inviting. Now I'm going to place everything into the pot and add just enough water to cook it gently. I don't want too much water because I want the food to come out creamy, not watery. I'll add my chopped onions, a little salt, seasoning, pepper, and garlic or ginger for that lovely flavor. You can also add crayfish if you want that nice African home cooking taste. At this point, we allow it to cook until the sweet potato and butternut squash becomes soft and tender. As it is cooking, the aroma starts coming out, and you can already tell this is going to be a very comforting meal. Once everything is soft, I like to gently stir and mash some of the pieces inside the pot. You don't need to mash everything completely. Just break some down so the sauce becomes thick and creamy, while still leaving some chunks to enjoy. This is what makes the combo special. The butternut squash melts into the food and gives it that smooth texture, while the sweet potato keeps it hearty and satisfying. If you want to make it richer, this is the time to add a little palm oil or vegetable oil. You can also add smoked fish, prawns, chicken, or any protein of your choice. For me, this kind of meal is very flexible. You can make it simple, or you can make it loaded. Now I'm giving it a gentle stir so everything combines nicely. Look at that color, bright, warm, and beautiful. This is the kind of food that makes you hungry, even before it gets to the plate. If you like vegetables, you can finish it with spinach, scent leaf, or any green vegetable you enjoy. Just add it towards the end so it stays fresh and doesn't overcook. Let it simmer for a few more minutes, and the sweet potato and butternut squash will soak in all those lovely flavors. And here we have it. Our delicious sweet potato and butternut squash combo is ready. You can enjoy it just like this on its own because it is already filling, creamy, and satisfying. But if you want to turn it into a more complete meal, you can serve it with already cooked porridge beans on the side. The beans will add extra protein and make the plate even more balanced and hearty. This is perfect for lunch, dinner, or even meal prep for the family. It is a simple recipe, but the taste is amazing. Please try this at home and let me know how you make yours. Do you like it alone? Or would you add beans, fish, chicken, or prawns on the side? Drop your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching Ebuzor's Corner TV. Please like this video, share it with family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, tasty, and healthy homemade recipes.